Challenges and opportunities for 2021. Why payments and regulations continue to be a key factor in gaming operations.
Hello, guys. Wow. November. I'm used that every November we're in SiGMA. Every November we're in Malta, seeing all the best payment solution providers, operators, platforms. They're in Malta. This time, because of something that happened in 2020, we're all here. Some guys are in Vilnius, some guys are in Eastern Europe, some in Malta, some in UK. And that's it. We have an amazing event. SiGMA is an amazing conference for online gaming and for the online industries. I'm happy to be here in the keynote and to congratulate, first of all, Eman and the SiGMA team for setting up such a great event. Amazing content, good networking. Also, you have also booths and exhibition. I really urge you to meet people that you might know and also new people and business partners. And I'm Talron. I'm from Tel Aviv. I come almost every year. I have here Jenny Gurevich with me, my heads of payment solutions at my team. I have here Marius from ConnectPay also with me here to congratulate you. And the reason I'm here is actually to discuss a bit about payments and why actually payments became such a focal point and a central point of the gaming industry, not only on the online industry, but also the gaming industry in specific. And we all know that when money doesn't flow, all the operation can be in a really turmoil. And we see it especially in the last several years. We see that in every SiGMA, you see lots of booths dedicated to payments. Some of them are of credit card acquirers. Some of them are banks and EMIs. And I think that the best thing is to speak with a payment solution provider where all the data goes through him and explain why is it so interesting to deal now with payments in the gaming center. So please, Marius.
Thank you, Tal. And thanks to the whole SiGMA team for organizing this really great event. Now, being in a position of global payments providers specializing in online industries such as gaming and gambling, we are also in a position to observe the trends and patterns in the market that allow us to predict future needs of our customers. So proactive instead of reactive, this is probably the key learning and takeaway of this COVID period. And it works for both payments industries and any other industry as well. Now, as tier one gaming and gambling companies are the focus and big part of our client portfolio, we can see some trends emerging from their payments. So though spend per user is decreasing, the overall tendency is growth in user numbers. This is probably due to the fact that people are saving more and investing into their homes and into rearranging their homes and making their homes these little comfortable fortresses. We see the sales of comfy furniture, computers, and even coffee machines that are going through the roof. Right? People are prepping to live at home, which means they will be living online.
Exactly.
So what does this mean for us as ConnectPay? Well, what we see is that this means a demand from our customers for a more reliable, a more predictable, and a very agile service. Being an EMI ourselves, we have the flexibility to innovate faster, to be more focused on gaming sector specifically, and more niche. And this is why, proactively we are investing and working closely with regulators to build those banking solutions and develop those banking solutions for online-focused businesses, such as online gaming operators, and build services such as B2C payments in a very wide range of jurisdictions or segregated accounts. And at the same time. Yes.
And what's interesting to see that Malta became a gaming hub, Lithuania, where you're located, became an EMI hub. So actually, do you want to explain a bit to our delegates what is the difference between the EMI and a brick and mortar bank, maybe, Marius?
So as EMI, usually EMIs don't have the requirement to lend and take deposits and lend money, right? So which means EMIs can focus on other basic banking services, and each EMI can choose, the focus of their liking. And this is the EMI licensing gives us the flexibility. And so we chose to focus on online gaming and gambling, and this is how we can develop better products and service for the specific industry. So I think focus is the key differentiator here.
Amazing. So
right?
look, Jenya, what actually Marius said, and I can agree with him, but I would like to hear from you. Marius said something which is very important. ConnectPay as a company, it actually focuses on the online industry, the online gaming, on a niche. And actually, if I understand correctly from you, Marius, that's the difference between companies who actually focus and companies that does everything. And you say, listen, if we are focused, we can understand the clients more and get a better value to the clients. Jenya, head of payment services at the Laurent Reysbosch law firm. Focus. What are you focusing when you deal with the client?
Well, our focus is, as always, is compliance. Compliance is key. That's how we say. That's what we say in our firm. As the head of payments and banking at our law firm, Laurent Reysbosch Co., we always keep the focus on the compliance. We have access to over 40 service providers, and we provide our clients the best service available, which means catering for service providers, payment social providers, affiliates, making sure and maintaining they're compliant on the one hand and they're prosperous and their business is successful on the other. We attend almost every large event in finance, in iGaming. We immerse ourselves in this industry. We acquire the in-depth knowledge and experience to share with our clients and business partners.
Yeah, Jenya has actually been living also in Singapore, with a very, very large financial industry, banks that we still partner with, and actually there are brick and mortar banks, sorry, Marius, like OCBC and DBS. I'm not sure they're a direct competition. I think there's a place for everybody in this industry, and a mixture is the best. But, you know, I think that at the end of the day, what actually both Marius said and also Jenya said, be focused, be compliant, make sure that your business actually has all the correct legal compliance and banking aspects. That's the key. And I really hope that you have great time here in SiGMA today. Make sure that you visit booths, make some business networking. I'm Laurent. If you have any legal, banking, or compliance questions, feel free to contact me via email, telephone, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm available 24 hours a day. I really enjoy the industry, and I'm here for you. And I really want to thank again Eman and his team from SiGMA. Let's hope that next year in November, or probably earlier, you know, we'll meet together face to face. Yeah, I don't know, for parties and for networking, and do it again soon. So thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you.